Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we have to calculate A. As you can see, the question is on screen. So I'm going to solve it for you. The trick is very simple. Here we have 33, which is could be written as 3 times 11 raised to the power of 4 plus 300 could be written as 3 times 100 and raised to the power of 4, and then plus 333 could be written as 3 times 111 raised to the power 4. Okay, and then all over. For the denominator is almost similar, we can write as 2 times 11 raised to the power 4 plus 2 times 100 raised to the power 4 plus 2 times 111 and then raised to the power 4. Okay, so then we will get 3 raised to the power 4 and then times 11 raised to the power 4 plus 3 raised to the power 4 times 100 raised to the power 4 plus 3 raised to the power 4 111 raised to the power 4, and then all over 2 to the power 4 11 to the power 4 2 to the power 4 times 100 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4 times 111 to the power 4. For the numerator, we have 3 to the power 4 in common. We will get 11 to the power 4 plus 100 to the power 4 plus 111 to the power 4 all over, and for the denominator we take 2 to the power 4 in common. Okay, and then we will get 100 to the power 4 plus 111 to the power 4. So as you can see, the number here and the number here is the same. We can cancel out, and then we will get 3 to the power 4 over 2 to the power 4, which could be written as 3 square over 2 square and then raised to square. So then we will get 3 square over 2 square. Okay, then which is equal to 9 over 4. Therefore A is equal to 9 over 4 is the answer. Now I have solved this problem. I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.